This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Discord app not working or not opening on iPhone. So if you're trying to open your Discord app and you are facing any kind of issues, follow these easy steps to fix this error. The first solution is open your recents and close all apps from your recents, and then go ahead and try to relaunch your Discord and check the issue. The second solution is turn off your iPhone and turn it back on. To do that, press and hold power button and volume down button, and all you have to need just slide to power off. Once you turn off your iPhone, turn it back on and then check the issue. And if you're still having the same issue, then we need to offload the Discord app. To do that, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and here scroll down and search for Discord, then tap on it. Now tap on offload app, again tap on offload app, and now tap on reinstall app. Once the app reinstalled, hope now it should work. And if you're still having the same error, then all you have to need just uninstall your Discord app and you have to reinstall it from App Store. After following all of these solutions, hope this Discord app not working or not opening issue will be fixed now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.